legend returns. The all-new 2025 Fiat Panda 4x4 is here, bringing rugged capability, compact versatility, and modern tech in an iconic package. Whether you're conquering mountain trails or navigating city streets, the Panda 4x4 is ready for anything. Let's dive into what makes this little off-roader a giant in its class. Fiat has given the Panda 4x4 a bold new look while keeping its unmistakable character. The redesigned front grille and LED lighting give it a modern touch, while the increased ground clearance and protective body cladding scream adventure. Compact yet tough, the 2025 Panda 4x4 is built for both the wild and the city. Step inside and you'll find a blend of practicality and innovation. The 2025 Panda 4x4 features a fully digital driver display, a larger touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and premium upholstery designed for comfort on any journey. Plus, the smart storage solutions make it perfect for adventurers on the go. Under the hood, Fiat offers a choice of efficient yet powerful engines, including a hybrid option for improved fuel economy. The legendary 4x4 system with electronic locking differentials ensures maximum traction, whether you're tackling muddy trails or icy roads. Plus, its lightweight design and short wheelbase make it surprisingly nimble off-road. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Fiat Panda 4x4. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking provide extra peace of mind. Whether you're on a weekend adventure or your daily commute, the Panda 4x4 has you covered. The 2025 Fiat Panda 4x4 is a true all-rounder, compact, capable, and packed with modern tech. Whether you're an urban explorer or an off-road enthusiast, this little beast is ready for action. Pricing is expected to start at around $15,000. An online pricing strategy is trackable and provides instant access to a healthy and well-rounded person. Plus, the latest advancements in technology eventually drill down to pricing limits lower than anything else. What do you think about the new Fiat Panda 4x4? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to Auto World for more exciting car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.